What's going on, guys? It is Monday, August the 2nd, and I got an early start this morning. I took my rogator over there and was cleaning up some of our roads and ditches all over in the valley that had gotten grown up with grass. Hit a few spots in the beans that grass was starting to come up in between the rows, trying to take over. So got out there early this morning because we got a lot of rain coming. And they're claiming it's supposed to be sometime after lunch, so I want to get that chemical on early and try to give it 4 hours, you know, to get on the plants and dry. That's what the labels say. So anyway, got that done. PA and Dad and Mark are over here. Something must be wrong with their 18-wheeler that we haul hay with. They're over there working on it. So let's get this day started and get something done. Dad is taking that 18-wheeler to go get a tire put on it. One of the front tires has gotten out of, anyway, it's wearing really weird and it's got a lot of vibration to it when you're going down the road. So he's gonna run up there and get a brand new tire put on the front of that 18-wheeler. PA, I'm looking for him. I don't know where he is, but I'm gonna get him over there in the valley. We got 2 of our pivot sheds where we have motors. I'll explain when I get over there, but I'm gonna have him cut some tin off of that. So whenever I find him, we'll get him over there. There he is. Okay.
It's going to take the loader and that, because the single cylinder doesn't have enough curl to curl that baler up. I got it chained and it's picking it up. But it's going to take it. I asked him if he put the bucket on there. He moved that tractor so it.
Did he say where to put it?
What's that?
The baler.
He's scrapping it.
That's all that's left. All that's left of the hay baler.
What?
Grief. I was walking by right here and caught my foot. That shoe's not gonna last very long. PA was over here working on the hay baler, and this is the hay baler. If y'all haven't seen that video, it is the one that actually caught on fire. And what he's doing over here is he's getting off everything that we can salvage off of the baler, anything that's good still left on it, taking that stuff off, and then the rest of it will be scrap iron. And before we send it to the scrap yard, we got to get like the fiberglass off, any rubber. They don't want any of that on there. It's got to be all basically iron. He wants me to back up. He must have a plan because he wants me to back up to it. I didn't even know I was going to be doing anything with my truck. This ought to be interesting. You think it's going to rip off there?
No, I don't think it's gonna lift right now. I think we may have to unbolt. Oh.
Smells good. Wonder what it'll bring for scrap iron.
I'd give $100.
Huh?
$100.
That's all? What do you think, PA?
I don't know. I see a lot of nuts and bolts and pulleys and stuff you're gonna have to pay. John Deere's gonna want $100. That's really right there. If you get another one.
Alright, that's the last of the hay baler. It is gone. Oh boy. Ooh, big wasp nest right there. Hanging off that cord. Look at that, hanging off the wire. Haven't been in this shed in a while. And of course, Dad, when he cranks these pivots up, he doesn't even look for wasps. He just goes in here like a bull in a china cabinet, cranks the motor up, you know, and then gets out of there. And he never gets stung, never sprays wasps. So I have to be on the lookout because I'm highly allergic to those things. There they are. And they already are looking at me. Okay, what we're doing over here is on this particular shed. When we built it, we had the walls go all the way to the ground to help protect the motor from, you know, rain and stuff getting in there. But when we have those really, really hot days, I'm talking about 100-degree days, it is so hot in this shed. And it's because these walls just keep all this heat in. And so on a lot of our other pivots, we've been going down the wall and like cutting the lower section off, like right up under that angle iron. Just cutting that piece of tin off. And that way it lets air get out of here and it lets cool air come in at the same time. It's really hot in the middle of the day. On those hot days, the motor would overheat. And ever since we've been cutting off some of this tin and letting the air breathe in there a little better on our other pivots, we have no issue anymore. So that's what PA is gonna do. I don't know how far I'm gonna come down, but anyway, he's gonna cut this wall right here all the way across. On these particular pivots over here in the valley, they're actually come out of the Alabama River, which is way over there. We actually go under Highway 80. They had to bore underneath that highway. It is a long ways. But anyway, it comes all the way to this pipe. And then that's how we get water over here. That, of course, motor just runs the pivot, makes it walk. Oh, there was another one. I hope he's got some wasp spray. I don't have any wasp spray. I left it over in Togville that day. Saturday, if y'all watched that video, I left that can over there. There must be two, because there's some other wasps flying. But see that one hanging on that muffler pipe?
Mm-hmm.
But there must be one back in that corner or something, because that one, he keeps flying around. Oh, shoot. You get him? Oh gosh. What brand is this? Homemade wasp spray?
Lost the label.
We don't know the brand of that one. We lost the label.
I make my own.
All right, this is much better. You can already feel the wind coming through here. Just a breeze. That's what it needed. It was just, it's fine to run it when it wasn't on those really hot days, but when it was 100 degrees and you would come in here, it felt like an oven in here. It was just all this metal and tin was just soaking in that heat, and it was just like a hot box in here. It was like an oven. And so it was pulling in just hot air through the radiator, you know, trying to cool itself. This is gonna be much better. We've done it to a couple of our other pivots, so and it's been working great ever since. So got this one done. Got one more to do. PA is headed over there right now to start on it. But these right here, that wasp nest that was right there, that big one, PA was cutting right here, and man, I saw them cut. They were coming all out of there. They were about to tear him up. We didn't get stung today. Got lucky. And here comes the rain. Well, unfortunately, guys, it's probably gonna be the end of the video. It is starting to rain really, really hard right now, which we need the rain, so bring it on. Just not too much. Anyway, it's supposed to do this the rest of the afternoon, so afraid that's gonna be it. Catch you on the next one, guys. See ya.